Hey guys, it's Garry Dean, DetailJuice.com. Two brand new Sea-Doo 325s or 2025 models in pearl white. I just did the white super slick on both of them. I have to put this one back on the trailer, but I just wanted to show you how they look and explain to you the process per Fasco Epoxies, the people who make Super Slick 2000. First of all, you got to scuff with 40 grit very well. I use a machine for 40 grit. I use a hand pad for all the nooks and crannies and the edges of everything after I tape. I wipe down twice with isopropyl alcohol. I then use an adhesion promoter. So sand with 40 grit, wipe down with alcohol. I tape everything up. I then do all my edges and my nooks and crannies with a 40 grit hand pad. I then do a second alcohol wipe, and then I apply the adhesion promoter to the belly of the ski, and then I apply the Super Slick 2000 with a foam roller. So let me show you what's going on, and that's going to do it for this video. All right, foam roller, white Super Slick 2000. This one was done this morning, very early. That one was done yesterday. Looks very good, matches very good. I also line the carpeted bunks with wax paper so that the ski doesn't stick to the paper if there's any issues. I've only had one issue with putting a fresh application of Super Slick on a carpeted bunk. That prompted me to do this. I have never had any other issues with anything sticking since, but that's it. Two 2025 Sea-Doo GTX Limited 325s with the new big screen. Super nice ski. All right, time to get it back on the trailer. I might do a grand finale video when I get them out of here. All right, just quick grand finale time. White Super Slick matches really good on that new 2025 Sea-Doo white pearl color. Pretty happy with. I thought it was gonna pop a lot more. I thought it was gonna be a little bit weird looking, but the owner said he wanted white, and that's what I gave him. Looks awesome. I'm very happy with that. All right, that's it. 813-846-4406. If you want some Super Slick 2000 done on your ski, that's a product by Fasco Epoxies in Fort Pierce, Florida. I work directly with them on application. I do exactly what they tell me, and I've had stellar results with this stuff. It's amazing. I do a ton of installs. I have personally done over 300 installs of this particular product. I absolutely love it. If I currently had a ski, I would without a doubt have it super slicked up. Thanks for watching, guys. And again, my number to get a hold of me to have this installed on your ski is 813-846-4406. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day, and call me when you need me.